Hi, it's Miss Denise and Hazel from Aaron Public Library, and welcome to Cuisine for Kiddos. Well, today we are making pumpkin bars. Our hands are washed, counters wiped off. We are ready to get started, and I'll tell you about the ingredients as we're adding them to the bowl. So first we're going to do the wet ingredients. 2 eggs. You crack one, I'll crack one.
Okay.
Right here, just right over the side of the bowl.
There's.
And then we have to fluff these up before we add the other ingredients. You want to go get a paper towel, sweetie?
Yeah.
We're going to get it nice and fluffy. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah. Fluffy looking.
Okay.
Good.
What do you say? Let's stop. And I'm going to let you pour in a bit less than 1 cup of white sugar.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do this while you're pouring. Just pour it all in. It's okay.
Oh, baby.
And next comes the vegetable oil. Do you want to pour that in, or do you want to mix?
I'll pour it in.
This is about 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Next thing, pumpkin puree. This is just the kind of pumpkin you buy at the store to make a pie. This is 1/2 of a can. There.
There you go. Thank you. There.
Try and get it all in if you can. Get mixed up really good. That's pretty good. Okay, you want to mix?
Sure. The pumpkin spice.
There, all that gets washed.
Ooh, it smells good already.
It does smell like pumpkin, doesn't it? Let me get some of this out of our way. Looking pretty good. And we need about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm not measuring, I'm just gonna pour it in. There.
Add on it.
And we don't care if it's a little heavy. We like pumpkin and vanilla together, don't we?
Yeah. Who doesn't? And that's their allergic to vanilla.
I know.
Pumpkin. Is that good or?
I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that looks mixed to me. What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Okay. And now we're mixing up our dry ingredients, and those are going to go in this bowl. So you could pour in 1 cup of flour. You know what? I think I'll leave these. I'm not going to wash these.
Good. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
We are going to need just about 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. It's got the right one. You got it. Yeah.
Yes.
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh, well. Here we go. Ooh, that looks weird. Is that because
That looks good. A full teaspoon of cinnamon. And even more, I think.
Just
that looks
this?
good.
Okay.
Just, we like cinnamon. Okay. And then again, 1/2 teaspoon of the fine sea salt.
I mean, this is a definite need to measure though.
Yeah,
I mean,
that looks pretty good, huh?
yeah.
All right.
Oh, that's not easily.
And this is pumpkin pie spice. We're going to sprinkle about a half a teaspoon in there.
Did I just randomly?
Sprinkle, yeah. Looking good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That seems like a...
Okay.
Thank you.
And then mix it all up.
Okay.
Let's dump it into our wet ingredients and we'll mix again. Can you do that? I can hold the bowl and you can dump.
Okay.
Perfect. And you can mix. Okay, mix.
Okay.
Just press that button.
Okay.
Yep, and you knew to start it on low so we don't have a big powder of flour.
Yeah, otherwise it would just be...
Right? Make it go a little higher.
Oh, yeah, that's good. There we go.
Let's try and get the sides of that shape. I'm going to use the spoon to get all that flour so you can mix it in.
Maybe.
There we go. You're doing great.
Okay. For some reason, this reminds me of a type of fish I saw a video of. They were like it was like painting and it was like doing this giant work of art in the sand. For some reason, this reminds me of it. I don't know why, but
Well, because cooking is a work of art, don't you think?
yeah.
Maybe that's why. Okay, you know what? I think this is good.
Yeah, that looks
Okay,
pretty well mixed.
I'm going to get most of it off. Because now I do have to take the batters out before we do our frosting. And this gets poured into a 9x13 pan. You want to scrape?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
And we will bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. There, getting it? Oh, there's our oven. It's ready. Okay, you know what?
Like,
You can take the spoon and kind of spread it out till it's even.
okay.
What did I do with the spoon?
Um,
There it is.
oh, thank you.
Ah.
Here we go.
And I'll get the rest of this out. Even?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Even.
I think you're right. Okay. Looks good. And this is going into a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes till a toothpick in the middle comes out clean. Okay. And there it goes. Alrighty. I have to rinse this off really quickly because we're going to use these to do our frosting. First of all, for our frosting.
Thank you.
And you could put in, this is 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. And it is very important that it is softened to make this process go easily.
Oh, yep, there it is.
We need 1 entire stick of butter cut up and softened. Wanna?
Yeah.
Thank you. I think we got it. We're gonna do a little splash of vanilla again, because we like vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I know we talked about this. Should we do
Let's
a
do
little
it. I mean,
cinnamon?
yeah. There's literally no reason not to do it.
I think since we're doing pumpkin bars, we could do cinnamon.
Yeah, we might as well.
So let's do just a little sprinkle. What do you think? Just a sprinkle? Okay.
That seems like a good amount of cinnamon.
Okay, so now this is going to get mixed up, and it'll be really quick to mix up because everything is frosted. To this mixture, we have to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Oh, look how easy that mixed up. It's softened. So here's our 2 cups of powdered sugar. Do you want to dump this one in? Oh. There we go. Oh, look at, you can see the brown from the cinnamon on this. That looks really good, doesn't it?
It does.
I know.
And it smells really good.
And I'm starting this on low so we don't get big clouds of powdered sugar, but you'll be surprised how this all mixes up together. Ooh, there it goes. A whole stick of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. You might need to add a little milk. We'll just see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's mixing up nicely, actually. Maybe not.
Ooh.
Looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah. Now that it's slightly more mixed up, yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting it up higher now.
Ooh, dang.
Yeah, it looks just like frosting. It's perfect. Okay, and this should be enough frosting to do our pumpkin bars that we have already done. They are ready to go. We can just use that one.
Yeah.
I'm going to just plop it on
Okay.
and let you start spreading. Want to use the back of the spoon?
Okay. Well, it's hard to have too much frosting, so.
I don't think you can have too much frosting, do you?
Yeah, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either.
Unless, like, it's the ratio of frosting in cake is like 90% frosting, 10% cake.
90% cake and 10% frosting, you think?
No, I'm saying 90%
Oh, the other way
frosting.
around. The other way around. Yeah, if you really like frosting, sure.
Yeah, I mean, if you really like frosting, I mean, sure, go ahead.
Go for it.
Yeah.
What do you think? Are we looking good?
Yeah.
Let's cover up that one little bit at the end. I think we are ready to sample our pumpkin bars. You want to be the holder? We hope you like this recipe of our pumpkin bars. We'll see you next time.
Bye.